Greetings, class and professor. Welcome to week 3. This is my profit centers and customer service for Atlantic Aviation in Carlsbad. I've come back to Atlantic. Presented by myself, Green Taylor, Liberty University Aviation 314. Let's go. Scenario overview. When deciding to offer flight instruction at your FBO, you must consider whether to offer services under 14 CFR Part 61 or Part 141. What are the pros and cons of each type, and which one will you choose? So, if I were at Atlantic Aviation, I would partner with the 141 Part 61 school across the way. Realistically, though, this isn't a organization that wants to do flight training. They're primarily involved in jet services. If they were a small operation, I would choose Part 61. Part 61 is a flexible option for both the customer and the provider, and Part 141 is much more rigid. And you end up paying a lot more for that program, but on the offhand, it is an FAA approved course, which has its own benefits. Both have pros and cons. It's just what type of service do you want to offer. I'd say if you're going 141, you're appealing to a different customer base, a little bit higher tier, which generally is what aviation appeals to. So my FBO overview for Atlantic Aviation out of Carlsbad. Atlantic Aviation operates out of Palomar McLean Airport in Southern California. The FBO provides fueling, hangar, rentals, executive lounges, concierge service, and it caters to private and corporate aviation clients who expect speed, customer service, and a premium experience. It's a very, very beautiful upscale building, and they are very integrated within the Carlsbad community as well. FBO profit centers. Fuel sales are the main revenue source driven by corporate jet operations. Hangar leasing is a consistent revenue demand for storage with a low overhead once everything's built and paid for. Maintenance and line services are also a big one. Builds reliability and repeat business, as well as the concierge and charter services. They add that value for the high service clientele. Customer service and retention. Customer service defines success. Signature Aviation trains its staff to prioritize safety and positive relations. Customer service is a huge part of what happens over at Signature Aviation. They have their signature way is their motto, and that does provide a really incredible experience. Excuse me. Incredible experience for the customer, and leads to that high status that Signature has in the FBO space. And so you see that retention there because of uh, their high customer service and standards. So for our biblical integration, Proverbs 11:1 is a false balance is an abomination to the Lord, but a just weight is His delight. This verse reinforces the importance of fairness and honesty in business, integrity and transparency, and service ensures lasting relationships and honor to God in the workplace. So really important that you take the biblical teachings into business and into life. And it's one of the amazing things about the Bible is it's so well spoken about money and and how money should be used and how you as a Christian can bring that into your workplace, into your life in all these different ways. So recommendations and conclusion. Continue investing in staff development and safety programs. Offer new services such as aircraft detailing and ramp memberships. And continue Atlantic's national reputation with the Carlsbad community connection. And profit and service excellence go hand in hand by intelligent and wise management. Once again, Atlantic is in an airport that is deeply connected with the local community between Legoland and the air parks there and all of the businesses. It's a very, very important hub for now coming back into even civilian travel. JSX is here, American Airlines is here, and now United is coming in. So it's going to continue to grow and be a big part of this community.